What you getting today, Larry?
I'm getting me an ARRMA granite.
Are you? Yeah?
Yes, I are.
Yes, you are?
Well, it's Easter, it's my birthday.
Supposed to be a nice day?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna go tear it up at Island Lake. Oh.
That boy.
Haven't seen one of them.
There you go. What's your name?
I'm Addie.
Addie?
Addie. I'm Pigeon Kicker. This is Larry.
What's,
Jim.
How many ducats we looking for the Notorious?
You need batteries too.
Yeah.
$549.99. It's not going anywhere like that. It means you gotta get up and turn it over the right way.
Ouch!
Got that one on camera. Oh, want me to kiss it and make it better?
Please?
No.
Yeah, it bit me.
It bitted you. Don't grab it in his mouth and it won't bite you.
Yeah. I'm thinking.
You're thinking.
I saw that and I was like, oh.
Haven't seen any reviews on it. I haven't seen any reviews really on the Notorious on YouTube. The Felony, yeah, that's the street one. That's for street. That would never be good for you. Not good for us, Larry. Yeah, no, we're off road. Definitely. He's gonna come up and jump this little hill right here. Go for it. That's better. That's better. Try her again, man. Nice. Give her hell. Nice. There we go. Tearing it up. Woo! And watch out. Oh, and you killed the other car.
So that doesn't come with a battery.
No. Yeah, R2R just with the radio. Come on, you know the routine.
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Does that take 2 batteries?
Yeah, success.
See, he knows his stuff.
Yeah.
Yes, he does. He's my brains.
That would be me.
I'm gonna go with the Notorious.
You getting the Notorious? Woohoo! Damn.
You're gonna change up on me?
Yeah.
Alright.
I have not seen many reviews from YouTube on this truck. This thing is a bad truck. We can put 6S in it right now if you want. Do? Bring it over here to your car and we'll put the other battery in it out of yours. Bring it on up here, man. All right. Let's put 6S. What was your name?
Addie.
Addie. Okay. Damn, Larry.
You want the blue one?
Yeah, you even got color options. Is there a green one?
No, there's a
Blue and white.
Yep.
Blue and white. Which one?
Blue.
Blue? Blue it is.
You must be close.
Yeah. Cool, yeah. You remember us. Right on. What else we got in here? There's that Creighton.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing's a monster, man. Yeah. Oh. The Notorious. All right. Here it comes. Nice! That was awesome. Try that one again. Not too bad for a price. You think?
You happy?
You happy? Sold. Sold. Okay. Blue Notorious.
Blue Notorious.
Right on. That's all right. Yeah, take a peek at her there. Or are you just gonna trust them?
I'm gonna trust him.
You're gonna trust him. That's a good man right there.
It's a
Nice.
Pretty
Yeah.
I don't think he cares about how pretty it is. It's not gonna be that pretty very long. It is not gonna be pretty long.
You guys care about it?
Just come back and see it.
Oh yeah. We'll be back. 100% we will be back,
You know
people.
it. This is.
Oh, Larry, we're gonna go tear him up at the
This is my
park.
favorite place in the world.
Yeah, that was fucking. That was a badass crash. Yeah, I got that completely.
What'd you get?
Bag full of goodies.
Bag full of
Gears,
goodies? Another spur gear or opinion?
Got some wrenches and
Body mount?
some body mounts and yeah.
Nice.
There's
Oh, that's big.
a-
Oh, the programming key.
yeah.
As usual, instructions aren't going to get read.
No, we don't need instructions. I do that quite well on my own.
What, not reading them? Yeah.
So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing.
That is a nice big truck, man.
Got the nice body clips and you betcha. So, there we go.
Hey, you get 2 new boxes in the box.
Out of the box.
Oh, here, wait. That's empty. Here, just set it down here.
Try that again. Yeah, I got that one too. It's got sand in your face, yeah.
Boy, nice packing job.
It's in there pretty good, eh?
Yeah, it's got a zip tie we need.
Does it got a zip tie? Well, just chew on it.
2 of them. Yeah, no. I'll let you chew.
Oh. You ain't gotta go get wire cutters? Man, that thing is a friggin' monster, dude.
Fantabulous. Oh my goodness. What a brute.
It is too, man. Let me get on this other side. That is a good looking truck, dude.
Isn't that fucking awesome?
That is a good looking truck.
Holy shit.
Should be ready to go. Let's get the top off, man.
It's, yeah,
Ooh.
oh my God, look at that cannon. Holy shit.
Okay, so it is set up with a plug so you can go 3S or 6S.
Yep.
Okay, that's a good deal.
So I'm guessing the
Both batteries would stack inside
yeah
there.
they stack.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. So 3S or 6S.
Man, look at them friggin' shocks on that thing. They're big around as my damn
Those are
phone.
big. I've never had anything with shocks that big.
You got yourself a nice big can of motor.
Oh yes, that yeah.
That is
I don't know what.
That is a nice look. These, look at these. These are actually pretty good too.
Yeah, that's
Well, let's get a battery charged up.
wow.
It's got a sway bar.
Yeah, it's got one on the back.
Got one on the back too. Nice.
A-arms are. I tell
Nice
you
and
what,
solid.
just what I see so far, this thing's a monster.
Monster. Monster.
It's got off and on switch there.
Yep, and then the button to program it.
This
It's got its own. They got their own ARRMA servo in it now instead of
Yeah.
Spectrum. I mean, it might be rebranded, but What KV motor?
Overall, I don't know.
ABC, yeah. Well, we'll figure all this out.
Yeah, it's but wow, and it's simple.
Yeah.
It's simple, basic, you know.
Yeah, it's got a that's the back brace for the chassis.
Oh
Oh
boy.
boy.
Oh boy.
Well, on with the battery. Here we go. One more. Oh, he's even on his wheels again. This thing is a bad truck. And thank you again, Limitless RC, Fenton, Michigan, for the great service and the great atmosphere in your shop. And the Notorious has officially been added to our wall of fun. Everybody, if you're in the area in Fenton, go check them out. They're a good small company. They're just starting out. They're less than a year old. They've only been less than a year. So let's go give them some help. And thank you for watching. You can like, share, subscribe, comment, or don't. It's all good. And also we have set up our Patreon, aka Pigeon Kicker, patreon.com. And maybe if you want to see some of this, or you enjoy the support, or you have a project we want to try for you, just follow along or whatever. We'll throw some videos up there every once in a while. Peace.